Are you looking for the best folding camping cots in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding camping cots that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Purenity Stable Camping Cot. The Purenity Camping Cot is truly commendable due to its sturdy build and easy assembly. With just one quick fold, you can have it all set for a good night's sleep. It does not require any complicated setup. You can just fold it down to put away for storage. The fabric is heavy-duty and water-resistant, so you won't have to worry about spills and other elements outdoors. With its aluminum frames and steel X legs, this camping cot provides a strong support and durable quality that can withstand different types of weather and other elements in your campsite. It has a weight limit of 260 pounds that support campers of all ages and are within the weight range. And if you want to put it away and carry it along with your luggage, it comes with a storage bag that will keep it very compact. Moving on at number 4. We have the KingCamp Strong Stable Folding Camping Bed Cot. The next compact camping cot on our list is also another entry from KingCamp. As it is known for their durable cots for outdoors, this one's definitely no exception. But as what you can notice, this cot is engineered with X-style legs and frames that are made of steel tubes. This triangle structure provides better support and exceptional quality that can last for many years. Just like the other KingCamp cots, this one's compact, portable, and lightweight as well, keeping your baggage light and easy to transport when you move places. There is also a side pocket that can serve as an additional storage space for your other essentials when you're all set for a camp. You can just fold it up when you set it up and fold down to put it away for storage. With its sturdy structure, it can support campers up to 220 pounds. At number 3. We have the Kamp-Rite Oversize Quickcut. If you're looking for a comfortable camping cot for taller and heavier people, this one from Kamp-Rite might be the ideal option you should consider. It has a weight limit of 400 pounds and can accommodate tall people around 6 feet or taller. It is heavy-duty and structured with powder-coated frames and a heavy canvas fabric for strong and durable support. Kamp-Rite Oversize Quickcut keeps you comfortable with the padded head section and cozy fabric. It provides superior comfort but definitely heavy-duty and high quality that can withstand different elements outdoors. You can easily set it up as a comfy bed for a restful sleep or disassemble it in seconds when you need to transport to another place. It includes a storage bag that you can carry around when you travel. At number 2, we have the Coleman ComfortSmart Deluxe Camping Cot. If you're after a padded camping cot that can provide excellent comfort while you sleep, this ComfortSmart Deluxe Camping Cot from Coleman might be the one you need. It is a folding camping cot that easily sets up when you're up for a restful sleep while camping. And if you need to put it away for storage, it can fold down easily and shrinks down to fit in the car's trunk. With its durable steel frames, it can support campers up to 300 pounds and can accommodate tall people up to 6 feet and 6 inches. It is crafted with a coil suspension system that provides superior support and a thick mattress for an ultimate comfort. You can bring it along for camping or use it as an additional bed at home. And finally at number 1. We have the Teton Sports Outfitter XXL Camping Cot. The camping cot from Teton is the best-selling camping bed on our list. Not only is it designed with a sturdy build, but it also has the largest capacity compared to all the other camping cots on our top 10 list. It has a weight limit of 600 pounds and can accommodate people up to 7 feet tall. Absolutely an ideal option for all campers. You can gaze at the stars under the starry night or just lie down for a restful sleep with its comfortable fabric. If you want to add more comfort, you can use it with a sleeping pad or mattress. With its patented steel S-leg design, it can provide superior support and durable quality. It is sturdy, easy to set up, and lightweight. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.